Okay, for today's crochet project, you will need yarn in the colors of green and red, some scissors, a needle, and I'm going to use a size 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. Okay, next, to begin, we are going to chain 10 and then join them together with a slip stitch. Next, we are going to chain 2, and then we are going to make 17 double crochets into this loop that we formed. I'm also going to crochet around the tail so that I don't have to tuck it in later. After the 17 double crochets into the center, I will chain 1, cut my yarn off, whoops, and then I will tuck this tail in, and then we will do our last step. For this last step, we are going to weave the yarn, the red yarn in and out between stitches, the double crochets, to give us the little red ribbon effect. So I will go ahead and insert my needle, and then I just kind of, I weave it in and out the wreath, and I'll just pull it a little bit as I go. And I want to make sure that I leave a tail on this end, so that way I can tie the bow. So I just need a little extra string for tying the bow. So I'm silly, and this string is on the opposite side that I need it to be on. So I'm gonna go ahead and thread it again and just poke it through so it's facing, coming through on the right side. I could put it right next to the other string, and there we go, problem solved. And then I'm just going to tie a bow to finish the wreath off. there you go. You have a cute mini wreath that can be added to a tier tray or to a gift, a package. You could add some string and add it to a mini Christmas tree, however you want to use it. But yeah, I just think they're cute and they're a great addition to whatever you want to use them for. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.